Hello everyone, my name is Sorab Lutfi and today let's talk about the atomic number and the atomic mass, okay? And these are the main subjects for this video, and so without any further ado, let's get started, okay? So atoms of various elements differ in their number of subatomic particles. All the atoms of one element have the same number of protons inside the nucleus. This number of protons, which is unique to an element, is called atomic number, as you can see in this picture. Okay, the atomic number is written as a subscript of the left of the symbol for the element. Okay, as you can see in this picture, it is written He2. Okay, so now I want to ask you a question. What does 2 helium abbreviation tell us? Okay, or what does this helium 2 tell us? Okay, so you can just pause the video or and think a little about it. Okay. So it means that the helium has 2 protons in its nucleus. Okay, and have in mind, if the atom is neutral, okay, and this number can even tell us the number of electrons that are inside the atom. Okay, so if I tell you that this atom, okay, is neutral, okay, how many electrons and protons are there inside this atom? Okay, you can just think a little bit, and so the electrons or number of electrons would be 79. Okay, so we have 79 electrons and 79 protons inside this atom. Okay, and we can even calculate the number of neutrons from a second quantity called the mass number. Okay, which is the total number of neutrons and protons that are inside the atom's nucleus. So now, if you deduce or deduct the atomic mass by the atomic number, you will have the number of neutrons, okay? And I almost forgot something, that the mass number is written on the upper left corner of the symbol, okay? Or right above the atomic number, okay? As shown in this picture, okay? So helium, one of some let's just not talk about that helium for a second. So now let's talk about the sodium. Okay, so as you can see in this picture, sodium has the atomic number 11. Okay, and the amount or the atomic mass is 23, which is written right above the atomic number. So now I have a question for you. Okay, so the simplest atom which we can find is the hydrogen. Sorry about the helium part. Is hydrogen, okay, which has only one proton in its nucleus. Okay, so now you can just don't forget the E that is written next to H. Okay, so hydrogen, okay, has this atomic number and this atomic mass number. Okay, so can you tell me the amounts or the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons that are inside this atom? And have in mind that this atom is neutral. Okay, so tell me the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons. So the answer is 1 electron, 1 proton, and 0 neutrons. Okay, so this is very weird for you, but yes, hydrogen, a kind of hydrogen, has only 1 proton and no neutrons inside its nucleus. Okay, so now this is the only atom that has more protons than its neutrons. Okay, so it's 1 to 0. Okay, and so now, and have in mind that the mass number is not very precise. Okay, and that's because that the neutrons or protons are not exactly 1 Dalton or 1 AMU. Okay, atomic mass unit. For example, take a look at this sodium over here. Okay, so the sodium has atomic mass number 23. Okay, but when you calculate or find the exact number of its exact number of the mass, okay, it has 22.9897 something Daltons. Okay, so it's not very precise. Okay, and so that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and again, sorry about this picture that is written helium. I meant to put a picture that is hydrogen. Okay, and until the next video, stay safe and happy learnings to you all.